Uh, we want to solve simultaneous equation. Okay, the simultaneous equation that we learn in MX is slightly different with the simultaneous equation that we learn in the modern max or year 7, year 8, year 9, that one. Okay, what is their difference is we have one linear equation and one non-linear equation. Okay, what is the equation that is non-linear? That is, we have the x square, xy, or y square. There is something like this. Okay, this one is non-linear. Okay, for the simultaneous equation that we learned before is both linear. So for this one, equation number 1 and equation number 2 here, this one is linear, this one is non-linear. Linear, so what is linear? Linear is y equal to mx plus c, something like that. That one is a linear equation. So linear equation, then they have something x only or y only. They don't have the x, y, x square, y square. So this x square, x, y square is non-linear. And this is linear. So we are substituting the linear into the non-linear. Okay. So for this kind of question, what we need to do is we have to change from the linear equation. We have to have an equation that have x equal to what or y equal to what to substitute into the equation. Okay. So for this one, okay, from the linear form, we have to change to the right x or y as a subject. So over here, we have two choices. What we can choose is we have the 2x equal to 7 minus 2y. Then x equal to 7 minus 2y over 2. Or we have the 2y equal to 7 minus 2x. Then y equal to 7 minus 2x over 2. Both of these I can say from equation 1, we get this. So, which equation that we have to change to? We have to change to from equation number 3 or change to equation number 4. Okay. Some student may think that two of these no different. Since if we write in the form number 3, then at the end, we after we get the value of y, then we have can still substitute into this equation to get x. Okay, and if we change to equation number 4, then after we get the value of x, then we substitute in, we can get the value of y. But for me, I will choose equation number 3. Why? Because we observe the equation number 2 here. We have x squared minus 4y squared equal to 8. So if we substitute y squared here, after you expand the y square, you still have to multiply with the negative 4 inside. Okay, then you have one step extra that you need to do. Okay, there is a coefficient in front of the y. So in this case, I will choose this one. Then what I do now is I sub equation number 3 into equation number 2. Then I have 7 minus 2y over 2 square minus 4y square equal to 8. Then what we have is 49 minus 28y plus 4y square over 4 minus 4y square equal to 8. And we have the 49 minus 28y plus 4y square minus 16y square equal to 32. Then what we have here is negative 12y square minus 28y plus 17 equal to 0. Okay, so this one is 4 minus 12, 49 minus 32. This is 17. So for this one, I will change the value of y square first. It will become 12y square plus 28y minus 17 equal to 0. So what I do here is actually I multiply with negative 1. Okay, so this one I multiply with 4 for the whole equation. Okay, then what we can do now is this. We have the 1 and 17 here. Okay, c is negative. C is negative, so it's different sign. Okay, and B is positive, then the larger value is positive. Okay, so we have the 12. So 12 we have, for this 12 we have 1, 12, 12, 1, 2, 6, 6, 2, and then 3, 4, 4, 3, and 2. Yeah, okay. Which one that we should choose? We choose 2 and 6. 2y and 6y here. Okay, why? Because this one we have 6y. This one is 34y. So B is positive, then the larger value is positive, then the smaller value is negative. So we will have 28y here. Okay, so we have the 2y minus 1 equal to 0, and 6y plus 17 equal to 0. Then we have the y equal to half, and y equal to negative 17 over 6. Okay, uh, then we will substitute the value of y into equation number 3. So what we do next is we substitute y equal to half into equation 3, or sub y equal to negative 17 over 6 into 3. So x equal to 7 minus 2 times half over 2. Then what we have is 3. 2 minus 1, 6, 6 over 2 is 3. So x equal to 7 minus 2 negative 7 over 6 over 2. This one 7 minus 2x over 2, we substitute 1 over 2, then we'll return 3, and then we have the negative 17 over 6, negative 17 over 6, then uh, we have to go up again at CLC, negative 7 over 6, then we have the 19 over 3. So 19 over 3. So after we find the solution, then we want to know whether the answer that we get is correct or not. Okay, that is when we have x equal to 3, then y is half, and x equal to 19 over 3, which is 6 and 1 over 3, then y is negative 17 over 6, is negative 2. This is 5. Okay, so how do we check whether the answer is correct or not? So what we can do is like this. So if the x equal to 3, y equal to half, so for the left hand side for the first equation is 2 times 3 plus 2 times half, then we have 7. This is equal to the left hand side. This one is correct. This is equal to the right hand side. And then for the second one, the left hand side is 3 square minus 4, 1 over 2 square, then it's 9 minus 1, then it is 8. That is the right hand side. This is correct. So for the second one is little bit difficult. So we have the x equal to 19 over 3, y equal to negative 17 over 6. Then we have the left hand side is 2 times 19 over 3, and plus this one is negative 7 over 6. So this is 3. So we have the 38 minus 17, 38 minus 17, 38 minus 17, and then over 3, then it's 7. So this is 7, okay, equal to 7. That is the right hand side. Okay, so for this one, okay. For the next one, x squared 19 over 3 square plus minus 4 negative 7 over 6 square. Then what we have here is x square minus 4 alpha y square. Okay, then CLC, we have the 19 over 3 for x, and negative 17 over 6 for the y, then it is 8. This is equal to the right hand side. So it is also correct. So this is how we check the answer is correct or not during the exam. So during the exam, after you get this answer, x equal to 3, when x is 3, y is half, x equal to 6 and 1 over 3, and y equal to negative 2 and 5 over 6. This is the final answer. Then you stop until here, then it's enough already. Then you can go to the next question. But if you have time for you to check your answer, then you can do it this way. You substitute the value of x and y into the equation. Uh, and the left hand side sub into the left hand side, and the answer is same with the right hand side. Then this is the solution. Okay.